Hey there, I'm Nata, and I'll be your instructor once you enroll in this exciting course. Are you ready to become a React Native expert? I know you are. This course is designed to take you step by step into the depths of React Native, even if you have basic programming experience. No prior knowledge is required, but having a bit of JavaScript knowledge will take you a long way. This course was just created, and every technology we use is going to be of the latest version. We'll begin from the basics and gradually move to more advanced concepts. And here's the best part, we won't cut any corners. We'll write every line of code together with in-depth explanations. You're also going to have access to quizzes and assignments to assess your strengths and weaknesses along the way. I want you to thrive in React Native world and see you create high-quality, modern, and scalable applications. We will cover all the key aspects of React Native development, including components, styling, Redux, authentication, payment systems, and navigation. You'll be able to create both Android and iOS applications using just a single code base. This course includes bonus sections to enhance your skills before diving into advanced topics. They will give you an opportunity to refresh your JavaScript knowledge, learn about React concepts, and catch up on styling. Next, I'll guide you through automating the process of uploading your applications to Google and Apple stores. At the end of this course, you'll have a portfolio filled with high quality and modern applications. If you're new to React Native, make sure you have macOS as your operating system to ensure a seamless learning experience. I can't wait to start this journey with you. Get ready to level up your skills and conquer the world of mobile development. Enroll now and let's get started.